Good morning, students. Today we will discuss learning objective and how to write learning objective. Objective of this lecture: differentiate between course goal and learning objective. Describe the purpose of learning objective. Identify the component of learning objective. Write learner center measurable objectives. If you are not certain where you are going, you may ever well end up somewhere else by and not even know it by Mege. Now, first we will discuss the history of learning goals. The development of educational goal and objective began with the WW2 as the way of conceptualization of instruction and training program as in the military. Educational psychologists and educators jumped on the concept. Bloom's originally work has been be received and updated on learning objectives. Now, we will discuss the terminology which are commonly used in our education system. Vision, future oriented, purposeful statement. Mission, statement of the reason for existing. Goal, desire, outcome, and result, journal aims and purpose of educational institutional objective, objectives and result and or intent outcomes. Instructional objective, learner outcomes after a period of instruction, intent outcomes. Teaching objective, teacher center, teacher intent to achieve. Learning objective, learner oriented, learners need to achieve. Journal objective, expected outcome, vague communication, intent of the program or institution. A specific objective means to achieve outcomes, measurable, consists in instructional objective. Behavior objective written as a such way to indent how observable and measurable behavior is. Write the objective, teach based on the objective, test over the objective. Instruction and teaching. Information versus instruction, we will discuss in this slide. Information, the aim of the information is to officially tell someone something. And instruction, the aim of instruction is to change the behavior of a person. Behavior refers to any observable activity performed by a person. Instruction and teaching, as you are watching in my PPT, the show arrow between the teacher and student, teacher or media, student. Instruction emphasizes the following aspect: activity, responding, and or we can say practice. Second, confirmation and feedback. Educational objective to bring behavior change through acquisitions of knowledge, skills, and attitudinal change at the end of the teaching learning program. What is the use of educational objective? Framing curriculum, preparing teaching learning program, deciding evaluation method. Educational objectives plan, teaching learning activity, evaluation. This process is continued going on whenever we achieve our educational objective, as you are watching in my PPT. Types of educational objective. We have three types of educational objective. Institutional objective, terminate objective at the level of the department. Specific instructional objective at the level of each instructions or a class. Goal versus objective. Course goal. Describe the overall purpose of the course within large curriculum. Course objective. Break down goals into measurable behavior that demonstrate competency, ensure successful accomplishment of course goal. Definition of goal is statement that describes in a broad term what the learner will do. Example of goal: student will gain an appreciation and understanding the value of the applying family system theory to the real world of patient care. Characteristics of goal: broad, vague, general, intention or observation, intangibly, abstract, cannot be validated. Objective of definition: a statement is specific and measurable term that describe what the learner will do or be able to do. Example: the student will be able to construct a 3-generation xenogram with a patient in the office sitting within a 5 time frame and explaining the how the information potentially impact on the patient care. Characteristics of learning objective: narrow, limited, precise, concrete, measurable, competency based, always state in the term of the learner. Begin with the objectives. Strategically and formally identifying learning objective. Learning objective guide design and development of the course. What do you want the learner to do? Know the applying after completing your course. Activity: review goals as stated in your syllabus. Review objective as stated in your syllabus. Compare with examples. Discuss revision. Purpose of learning objectives: facilitate course development through objective directed planning, inform student of the expectation of course, guide the development of instructional activity, guide the development of assessment and evaluation. Definition of learning objective: instructional objective. A good learning objective is one that can be assessed to determine the student mastery of the course material. Learning objective describe the intent result of instruction rather than the process of instruction. Definition of instructional objectives: instruction objective are statements which communicate in behavioral term the expected performance of the student at the end of instructions, need for instructional objectives. Objectives should be written for each subject of the curriculum because they specific what the student should learn to do. Thus, objective serve a single post to the student. Provide direction to the teacher in the selection of the most effective instructional method and media and resources material to be used during instruction in order to attain the state objectives. Provide guidance to the question paper setter for evaluating student achievements. Characteristics of learning objectives: specific and focused, target performance, realistic to achieve, can be measurable and validated, time bound with a deadline, specific condition and criteria that qualifies expected behavior. These are the characteristics of learning objective. Part of an objective: measurable verb, construct, explain, criteria, 3 generation genogram within 5 minutes, condition in the office sitting with patient. Characteristics or components of good objective: A, B, C, D of the good objective. Now we will discuss what is the meaning of A, what is the meaning of B, what is the meaning of C, and what is the meaning of D. D, audience, learner, who is learned. Behavior, what or observable behavior. C, condition of performance, computer list. D, degree, criteria, how well, accuracy, time. Audience, the learner who will be doing the behavior. Undergraduate student, graduate student, professional, and government personnel. Observable behavior, what will the learner to be able to do as a result of learning. Example, the learner will define math term. Condition, what are the conditions under which the learner must demonstrate their mastery on the objective. Example, the student will provide with a list of 20 math terms, no reference, and a time test after instruction. Degree or criteria. What are the standard of acceptable performance? Quantity, quality, efficiency, durability. Example, performance will be satisfactory if all 20 terms are defined, consist with the text in 100 minutes. Now we will discuss objective part, description and example. Behavior, objective. What will learner to be able to do? Example है, learner will define math term. Condition, how will they be able to do it? Learner will be able to provide a list of 20 math term, no reference and a timed exam. Criteria, degree of accuracy. Performance will be satisfactory if all 20 terms are defined and consistent with the consistent with the with text. Activity assignment. Identify one of your objective. Rewrite objective in terms of behavior, condition, and criteria. Share revised objective with nearby friends. Report revised objectives to group. Term source of confusion. Behavior objectives, instructional objective, educational objectives, terminal objectives, outcomes, objective, aims, intents, objectives, objective terms. General objective and specific objective. There are two types of objective. General objective, in short form we can say GO, and specific objective, in short term we can say SO. General objective. General objective are very general statement which describe in the implicity term the overall aims of the total educational process. Examples, on completion of the study, the student will be able to understand the concept of data flow diagram, or live example, to understand the student will be understand the concept of learning objective, to appreciate the difference between system flow chart and program flow chart, to comprehend the uses of Skinner. These are the example of journal objectives. Specific objective SO. Specific objective are expressed in behavior term and identify the end product of instruction in the term of observable performance of student. Example, on the completion of the study, the student will be able to list the 6 level of data flow diagram used in a application system, to draw a system flow chart for a given application system, to scan a given picture and transfer it to the appropriate model of application. These are the example of specific objectives. General rule for stating specific objective. Rule number 1. Instructional objective should be stated in the term of learner performance and not teacher performance. The objective should specify what the learner will be able to do at the end of the lesson and not what the teacher had intend to do. Non-example, to teach Java remote method innovation. Example, the student will be able to distinguish between remote method innovations and remote procedure calls. Rule number 2, for a specific objective, the mere description of subject matter should be avoided. An objective should be specific, both kind of behavior expected and the subject or content to what the behavior applies. Example, the student will be able to write a Java program to show Nepal Standard Time using Nepal thread by applying multi-threading technique. Rule number 3, uses active verb. Use verb that refer to any observable activity displayed by the learner. Example, the student will be able to state the function of the 4 types of connectivity hardware. Next rule, specify the standard of minimum acceptable performance. The standard of minimum accept performance must be specific in the term of the number of points. Examples, direction, etc. In the case of theory subject, the accuracy of result and spend of performance in the case of practical behavior work. Example, the student will able to list any 6 difference between metals and non-metals. To determine the diameter of a given road using a suitable survey, give to an accuracy of 0.5 mm within 10 minutes. Next rule, an objective should not be consist of more than one learning outcome. Example, the student will be able to explain why network are needed, to list the 2 types of networking. Kinds of objectives. Categorize of objective: cognitive, thought of or knowledge, what learner is able to do, effective, feeling or choices, how learner choose to act, psychomotor, physical scale, what learner can perform. Now we will discuss Bloom taxonomy. Bloom taxonomy structure for categorizing competencies, descriptions of a skill that must be demonstrated for each level of thinking, action verb that elicit student response within the level. The main category of human behavior, knowledge had cognitive domain, attitudes heart affective domain, scale hand psychomotor domain. In psychomotor domain, we are learning by doing. Guideline for writing objectives, criteria of writing instructional objective. Use action verbs to specify student behavior. Keep statement short and focus on a single outcomes. Explain expectation for student behavior, performance and understanding. Use specific terminology that has limited interpretation to ensure that all the students understand the same interpretation. Writing behavior objectives. Identifying the learner who the learns. Specifies the kind of behavior expected. Reflect the process, guide in selection of learning experiences. End result must be observable, feasible, can translate in reality, class, specific the condition of achievement. It must be smart. S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievable, R for realistic, or T for time bound. Whenever you write your instruction objective, you should remember SMART. Smart. Measurable actions verb, analyze, describe, prioritize, identify, define, list, apply. More measurable action verb, compare, construct, summarize, design, predict, evaluate. Verbs to avoid, understand, know, learn, compared, appreciate, realize, be aware of, taxonomy of education objective, categories in the cognitive domains, B.S. Bloom in 1956. Knowledge, remembers, previously learner material. Knowledge of specific, knowledge of specific facts, knowledge of way and means of dealing with the specific, knowledge of conventions, knowledge of trained and sequence, knowledge of classification and categories, knowledge of criteria, knowledge of methodology, knowledge of universal and abstractions in a field, knowledge of principles and generalization, knowledge of the theory and structures. Comparison, grasping the meaning of material. Translation, interpretation, extrapolation, application. This refers to the ability to use learner material in new and concrete situation. This may include the application of such things as rules, methods, concept, principles, law, and theories, and solving of problem. Analyze, breaking down material into parts. Analyze of elements, identifying the parts. Analyzing of relationship, identifying the relationship. Analyzing of organizational principle, identifying the way the part are organized. Synthesis, putting part together into a whole. Production of unique communication. Production of a plan or proposed set of operations. Derivation of a set of abstract relation. Evaluation, judging the value of the thing for a given purpose using definite criteria. Judgment in terms of internal evidence. Judgment in terms of external criteria. Benefits of behavior objectives. Help in making curricular design. It guide teacher and instruction. It help in instructional develop improvement. It help in developing systematic evaluation plan. It guide student in seeking learning opportunities. It help in improving learning. It help client in receiving quality care. It help client in receiving quality care, develop mastery in the learning, and provide quality care. Taxonomy means classification. Taxonomy of learning objective help teacher to identify goals, to classify forms and level of learning, uh, teaching learning experiences, select appropriate evaluation method and test tool, hierarchical classification in any field, Bloom's learning domains. In 1950, Dr. Benjamin Bloom led committee of educational psychologists in the analysis of academic learning behavior, discover the three learning domains: cognitive, knowledge, affective, attitude, psychomotor skills. Domains in learning Bloom: performance of specific professional tasks require the use of one or more skill. To knowledge, use of head, cognitive domain. Doing, use of heart, oh sorry, doing, use of hand, psychomotor domain. And thinking, use of heart, affective domain. You can simply learn knowledge, head, doing, hand, and thinking, heart. So you can remember the domain in learning according to Bloom. Domain, knowledge, recall data, understand, apply, analyze, synthesize, and evaluate. It means you are using your brain. Effective, attitude, awares, respond, value, organize. It means related to your heart. Psychomotor skills, copy, follow instruction, develop prescience, articulate, it means using your hand. Knowledge, Bloom, according to Bloom's taxonomy, education objective: compare, construct, define, describe, differentiate, distinguish, identify, indicate, list name, summarize. It means you are recalling the things. You are recalling the things. Compare, construct, define, describe, differentiate, distinguish, identify, indicate, list, name, summarize. It is showing the recall. Applications: calculate, demonstrate, illustrate, measure, perform, prescribe, and solve. It means you are using in your life. Okay. Problem solving: analyze, compose, construct, decide, design, evaluate, formulate, organize. These are the references you should use for further more detailed knowledge of how to write learning objective. Thank you, student. You listening me patiently. I hope this lecture is very useful for you whenever you writing your learning objective. Thank you.